chocolate. Who need that?
Ayan, para hindi matapon.
That's a good one.
Morning! Tingnan natin ang dumpster na to. Wow! Ayan. Pasta, pizza. Pizza ang nandyan. Ano yung nakabox? Itong nakabox na to. May nakabox. Hindi ko makuha. Ano ba to? Ano to? Ano ito? Buksan natin. Ay, nakabox. Hindi mo na mabuksan kasi naka-gloves ka na, mabet. Ano ba to? Uy, wow. Isang box. Garlic bread. Ayun. Okay, kunin natin yan. Ayan, oh. Isang box. Bongalicious. Taran! Garlic bread. New York. 8 boxes. Meron pa ba dito? May nakikita ako pizza. Ayan, oh. May pizza doon. Pizza. Ayan. Huwag na yan. Meron doon pasta. Okay, let's go. Meron lang tayong isang box na garlic bread.
Oh, jackpot!
They got some. See. Wow. Okay. We got charcoal. What happened my flashlight? Nagta-turn off. Pasukin ko siya, be. Hold this for me. Get the charcoal.
Careful.
Yeah, and got water too.
Look at the mac and cheese.
Yep.
Keep going.
Get the charcoal first. Pass. Oh. Water. Put this in the hockey sword. I hold this one. Go ahead.
Put the water up first. Okay?
Yeah. Alright. You got it. May mac and cheese. Asan yung mac and cheese? Ayun. Max. Saan?
The purple.
This. Chips. Oh, this one?
Purple.
Yogurt.
What's the name? Rabbit? You? Vanilla?
I don't know. It's
Oh,
liquid.
Jackpot!
This one is basura. Oh, got tampon. Got cocoa cheese.
Huh?
Then got USB cord. Oh, got more charcoal here.
Yeah.
Ayan, oh. Okay, go ahead. Another charcoal. Ito wala man to, basura lang. Trash. Amoy Clorox na. Natapo na yung Clorox, oh. You ready? Another charcoal. Mag-barbecue tayo. O make dunking coffee. Oh. Charcoal. Gatas. Gatas. Wala na.
Oh,
This milk. Uy, tingnan mo. Oh, uy. Oh. Yeah, no lid. But it's okay. I can use that one. Conditioner.
What about there?
There's nothing there.
What do I need to do? What's that? That look like nothing.
No, it's basa na.
Basa.
No. Okay, that's it.
What about that pizza?
No, the pizza not good too. Yeah. Oh,
Be careful, be careful.
shake. 1, 2, 3, go. Oops. Asan yung charcoal? Oh, stop the shop. You put that one the box there. Remove the other one.
Yeah, fucking nice.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's good. There's no more. Okay, good.
Remove the other one.
So we need that.
Para hindi matapon.
That's a good one.
I think this is the panty. I found the other dumpster before.
But we just got some lock.
I see.
Lock.
Guys, see? May tubig. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Uy, why you put this one here?
Huh? But next time.
Okay, let's go. Drivers, nakauwi na kami. May konti tayong nakuha. 2 beses ako pumunta doon. Kaninang umaga at ngayong gabi. At ito nga, oh. Meron tayong 2 bag ng uling. May Dunkin. At merong conditioner na wala ng takip. Uy, natutumba siya. Diyan ko lang yan sa box nga. Ayun, lagyan natin ito dito. Alisin ko na to sa aking sasakyan. Oh, lala mga ka-subscribers, kamusta po kayo? So, hali tayo mag-shout out and birthday greetings. If today's your birthday, happy birthday. And belated happy birthday to Miss Marifet Talaid and sa anak ni Miss Alma Lasam. Belated happy birthday po. And happy birthday to Miss Rolen Alas ngayong May 14. And advance happy birthday to Jessica Aludo at sa apo ni Miss Marlene De Vera ngayong May 29, 1 year old. Ayun. At kung ikaw po ay nanonood ngayon at hindi pa nakasubscribe, baka naman, paklik naman ang bells button dyan. And shout out and welcome natin ang ating mga new subscribers. Welcome po sa aking channel. Shout out to Juana Pasok, Edeline Ramos, Baby Rose Elcarde. Shout out to Mary Hope Diamante, hello po. Maria Berta Daso Albior, Marie Cris Entero Barongo, Briella Cabangis, Jane Tabisola, hello po. Rosalie Laconsay, maulan dito sa amin, malakas ang hangin. Emily Trafalgar Shawarara, Jenica Garcia, Merly Gimito, Loida Pontanilla, Pelalyn Bahasan, Alma Lasa, Miss Madeline Salvana, Emily Trafalgar, Yan Yanig, halu. Shout out to Cecil Gasingan, Manay Nicole Colina, Nanay Lilia Tech, Nanay Mir Nagabayno, hello po, Johnny Di Arco, Miss Agustina Doblon, Jenilyn Saholga, Joanne De La Quesson, Shawararat, Rowena Dorano, Jessica Aludo, Evelyn Di Guzman, Mary Jane Sabala, Ara Magistrado, Boyda, Miss Marivic Pares, Nelsie Lamag, Jocelyn Bagangkoy, Jem Polo, hello, Miss Rizalina Galeria, Ling Albor, Miss Vivian Cortez, Lalin Coros, hello, Marisa Triviana, Melissa Balai, Shawararat. And And shout out also to Rosalie Laconsay, Manay Sophia, Bernadette Tison, Morenstrella, Miss Jocelyn Castro, Nanay Bebe, Melissa Balais, Amy Kumaingking, Helen Eugenio, hello po, Chloe Jane Aquino, Jonah Joy Estrada, Edwin Gasingan, Shawararat, Miss Leia Biludo, Elena Robles, Miss Elaine Romero, hello po, Farah Aniyorn, Miss Susan Aniyorn, Shawararat. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Kung meron po ako nakalimutan, pagpasensyahan nyo na. So, dyan lang po muna kayo. Enjoy your watching. Salamat! Wala gaano. Pero jackpot tayo dyan sa sa uling. Sa uling, sa tubig. So, yan lang yan mga ka-subscriber. Walay iba. So, shout out sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. So, don't forget to like and share and good vibes comments. Mabets Lots Vlog. Bye! Have a good day.
Share.